Do you ever wonder whether you're actually using the best social media apps for your business? With so many apps out there, it's so easy to suffer with crippling FOMO. Today, I will show you the best social media apps 2021 that will deliver high quality leads for your website design agency, digital agency, or services business. I picked the top social media apps that will bring you valuable leads and elevate your brand. To make it onto my social media apps shortlist, I have applied these 3 criteria. Can you get high quality leads from the app? Can you achieve this without using paid media? And can you manage this app in-house? Because let's face it, not everyone is in a position to outsource their social media management. I can't wait to tell you more about my shortlist for you. And a little later in this vlog, I will share a fantastic freebie with you, which will make it super easy for you to come up with social media posts that your dream clients will simply love. Plus, I will help you to avoid being boring on social by answering one of the most common questions I get. How do I know what is okay to post on social media? You are in for a treat, my friends. Before we dive in, I'm Nicole from Wunderstars. I'm a marketing coach for digital agency owners. If you would like to get more leads for your agency, subscribe now and press the bell to never miss a new episode. Now let's go. I picked 3 classic social media apps. Yes, people over 40 still do social media. And I can't wait to tell you more about my favorite newcomer app on the market a little later in the video. It's brand new and there's lots of FOMO, and I will tell you why I think it's actually got great potential. So stay tuned. First app on my shortlist for you is LinkedIn. Yes, I know, it's often overlooked and you might even think it's boring. LinkedIn turns 18 this year, has over 722 million users in 200 countries. Wow! And when it comes to converting leads for your business, it's one of the best apps available. Just look at this HubSpot graph comparing it to Twitter and Facebook. So here's why you should consider LinkedIn for your agency. People are in the mood for business when they use it, so your leads will be relevant. According to LinkedIn, 4 out of 5 people on LinkedIn drive business decisions. Sounds good, right? And to make it extra easy for you to find them, LinkedIn offers you the advanced search function. You can find people or companies in your niche who are looking for your services right now. Tell me in the comments, have you started using search? And another great thing about LinkedIn, you don't even have to be a creative genius to be successful on LinkedIn. Text posts that offer real value and invite engagement will be seen by your audience and their connections without you having to boost them with paid media like you would have to get them seen on Facebook. And if you like video content too, video works a treat on LinkedIn too for building trust with your dream clients. I can't wait to reveal the other 2 shortlisted social media apps that rock my world and might rock your world too. Back to LinkedIn. As a busy agency owner, you are on social media to get leads for your business. You will find the right people on LinkedIn, and best of all, their profiles will give you a real insight if they're worth following up. LinkedIn Messenger makes it super easy to follow up with your lead. Give them a reason to reply to you by sharing a relevant blog or recording a voice message to spark their interest. And you can even schedule a Teams or Zoom meeting with them directly on the app. And to help you stay consistent on LinkedIn, even if you have a couple of really busy weeks ahead, why not schedule all of your posts with a brilliant Agorapulse social media app ahead of time? Get your month's free trial by clicking the link in the description below. Get LinkedIn right and you will look more attractive to your leads. Elevate your brand to prospects and influencers that could be helpful to you. Let's face it, in today's competitive world, you will be judged on how good you are by the quality of your digital channels, including your website and your social media connections. If you would like to get some fantastic ideas for engagement-driving LinkedIn posts, watch this video. The second social media app which made it onto my shortlist for you, which will really help you to stand out amongst your competitors, is Instagram. I can't wait to show you how you can explode your reach and engagement on Instagram in a little while. But first, why did Instagram make it onto the shortlist? It helps you to share with the world how you make your work happen, why you are the best provider to select. And the platform keeps on improving with new features launched all the time, so you can get noticed by your dream clients. For example, user-generated content works a treat, and if one of your clients mentions you on a story or post, you can simply reshare it. This is gold dust for social proof. Instagram recently also introduced a professional dashboard so that you can quickly check your performance and refine what you're doing to get even more leads. Instagram has also started to launch a functionality where you can interview several people live on Instagram. How exciting is that? People want to get to know the people behind the business. Instagram gives you all the tools and creative formats to bring your business to life. And if you like help with finding great content ideas for your agency, download this free guide linked in the description with 30 days of content inspiration. And you will never ever run out of standout ideas again. So on Insta you got newsfeed posts, stories, IGTV, and here's the feature I'm most excited about right now. It's Reels. Even if you have a tiny audience on Insta, with Reels you can drive up reach and engagement. You can also share behind the scenes content or entertaining video clips, which will help you get noticed by your dream clients, because Reels are way more entertaining than just standard posts. The Insta audience love the snackable nature of them. Reels are so hot right now you can get found by a new audience fast, and you don't need to be Steven Spielberg to produce them. They are super easy. Watch this brilliant video for Reels ideas. Before I reveal the newcomer on the block that I'm really excited about, here's the third classic social media app which made my shortlist for you. YouTube. It's the biggest search engine after Google, and once you created videos, it's a marketing present that keeps on giving, as people can find your vlogs for years to come. So, if you get a lot of questions and find yourself answering the same questions, why not create YouTube videos which will show you as the expert you are and provide outstanding value for your existing clients and prospects so that they can find you. To kickstart your YouTube channel growth, check out this channel by Natalie Haley to learn how you can grow your channel from scratch. Earlier, I promised you an exciting newcomer on the block. It's exciting because it has real staying power. It's got a very distinct niche, which is audio content. Now, do you love chatting to people? Perhaps you even have your own podcast, then Clubhouse could be right for you. They have been brilliant at creating FOMO. Tell me in the comments, are you feeling it right now? At the time of filming, the Clubhouse app is only available on iOS, but plans and investment are in place to roll it out further. You have got to try out Clubhouse if you're a natural talkative person. Its popularity in FOMO creation has been amazing. It started with 1,500 beta testers in April 2020 and by now has over 2 million weekly active users according to its CEO Paul Davison. You can build relationships with people simply by joining the right clubs. If you don't like writing, here all you need to write is your profile. Everything else is talking. For example, if you are a web designer, you could offer quick website reviews. I came across this chat the other day shown on the screen. A web designer and branding expert invited people on stage and reviewed their websites. They shared quick tips. What a great idea to build your audience and to add value. When you come across someone interesting on Clubhouse, you can follow up with them on Twitter or Insta DMs. Go on and try out Clubhouse. I promised you earlier, I want to help you with one of the most common questions I get that often stops people from creating truly interesting social media posts for their agency. How do you figure out what is okay to say on social media and what is not? Here are my 2 golden rules for you. Is this something your potential clients would be okay to read about you? Then post it. If not, bin the idea. Is this something your friends or current clients would find helpful or entertaining? Then it's probably engaging for your dream clients too. If not, don't post it. I hope you like this video. Make my day by sharing it and commenting on it. I really want to know what your favorite social media app is. Be sure to check out my social media tips playlist for digital agencies and web designers to help you generate more leads shown on screen and linked in the comments. And if you want to start sharing your own story as the agency founder on your social channels to stand out, check out this popular vlog to help you figure out how to do this and get your free download using the link in the description below. See you on the next video. Auf Wiedersehen!